Welcome to our channel, New Brand Car, where we explore the most exciting automotive innovations. Today, we're introducing the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome, a vehicle that redefines travel and comfort. This motorhome is a masterpiece of engineering, blending practicality, luxury, and performance to create an unparalleled experience for adventurers and families. Volkswagen has long been a pioneer in the automotive industry, and this motorhome is a testament to their commitment to innovation and quality. The sleek design of the 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome combines aerodynamic efficiency with visual appeal, ensuring it stands out on the road. It is a modern evolution of Volkswagen's classic camper van, tailored to meet the demands of today's travelers. While it caters to global markets, it has found its largest audience in the United States, Germany, and Australia, countries known for their love of road trips and outdoor adventures. Performance is at the heart of this motorhome. Equipped with a hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor, it delivers an impressive 300 horsepower. This ensures a smooth and powerful drive, whether on highways or challenging terrains. With a top speed of 120 miles per hour, it is as enjoyable to drive as it is practical. Fuel efficiency is equally impressive, with the hybrid system achieving around 40 miles per gallon. This makes it a sustainable choice for eco-conscious travelers, offering reduced emissions and an extended range without compromising performance. The interior is designed to provide a luxurious, home-like experience. The sleeping area features a convertible bed with a high-quality memory foam mattress, ensuring restful nights after long days of travel. The kitchenette is fully equipped with a compact refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a microwave, and a sink with running water. Storage cabinets and shelves are cleverly integrated to maximize space for pantry items and cooking utensils. The bathroom is a standout feature, offering a fully enclosed shower, a flushable toilet, and a vanity sink, all constructed with durable and high-quality materials. The motorhome also includes a state-of-the-art water filtration system, ensuring clean and safe water wherever your journey takes you. Beyond comfort, this motorhome offers incredible versatility. Storage compartments are thoughtfully designed to accommodate luggage, camping gear, and other essentials. Solar panels on the roof provide sustainable energy for off-grid adventures, powering key appliances and devices. The vehicle is packed with advanced technology, including a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless connectivity and smart navigation specifically designed for larger vehicles. Safety is paramount, with adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera ensuring a secure and stress-free driving experience. The price for the 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome starts at $85,000, making it an attractive option for those seeking both quality and affordability. Its blend of durability, reliability, and advanced features ensures it is a valuable long-term investment. This motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip, a weekend getaway, or an off-grid adventure, the 4245 Volkswagen Motorhome is ready to make every journey unforgettable. With its unique combination of performance, luxury, and practicality, it sets a new standard for what a motorhome can be. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to New Brand Car for more insights into the world of innovative vehicles. See you on the road.